How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall.
When is the party?
On Tuesday.
When is the party?
On Tuesday.
Why are you late?
I got up late.
Why are you late?
I got up late.
Whose car is this?
It's mine.
Whose car is this?
It's mine.
What now?
Let's have dinner.
What now?
Let's have dinner.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
What are those?
They are hangers.
What are those?
They are hangers.
Who is this?
She is a scientist.
Who is this?
She is a scientist.